Hello everyone, this is Charlotte here, and today we are going to see how to apply post-process effect to the camera systems dynamically during runtime through the blueprint. So let's get started without any further delay, and please do like and subscribe my video if you found useful in any way. So let's just see the demo how it is. As you can see, this is the post-process volume applied already. As I am pressing F key here, I can see the radial blur is applied to the whole camera, and if I release the F key, it's gone. So we'll see how it is been done at runtime. So just go to your third-person character blueprint class. Here I have BP, Artorial, Answer class. Everything is same here, just as third-person character blueprint. Only thing I have done here, is connect the event begin play to a sequence node, and the first pin of the sequence connects to the player controller as usual, and the second pin connects to the post-process camera setup which I have created. So let's just check this function here. The execution pin of this post-process camera setup connects to the create dynamic material instance node, and inside this I have passed my custom material post-process material here, and the return value of this material instance I have saved as dynamic radial blur, and also the return value of this created dynamic radial blur I have dragged this out, and I have used it to make weighted blendable. You can search the make weighted blendable to use this node, and be sure to change the value of this -1 to 1, because it won't blend, your material instance won't blend to the camera system if it is a -1, as I have this issue was also happened with me. So be sure to change this -1 to 1 here, and the return value of this weighted blendable I have connected to a array, because here you can see I have also added a comment here to add as many blends as you want, because there would be case wherein you would add multiple post-process effect to the camera system according to your own needs. So to demonstrate, I have also created another post-process material here. I have just copied these 3 nodes, and I have created another variable here known as dynamic cell shader instead of dynamic radial blur, and rest everything is same. Also make sure to change this -1 to 1 here, and for this create dynamic material instance I have used another cell shader, another post-process which is a PPI cell shader, and also the return value of this weighted blendable I have connected to an array, and the return value of this array would be connected to the make weighted blendable nodes, and this would be connected to the make post-process settings. Alright, so till here everything would be same. And now for this for setting the post-process effect to the camera, you just need to drag this follow camera node or your own camera node, whatever its name would be, and just drag this pin out and search for the post-process setting. Get set post-process settings. Alright, and connect this execution pin to this dynamic cell shader or whatever setter function you have used to create your large post-process. So you'll just need to connect this to this. Alright, so I'll not connect this because I've already made this one post-process and I've connected it, and you need to connect this make post-process settings output to this post-process node. Alright, so that's it. You have to do this much work only and nothing else, and your post process would be applied to your scene. So to demonstrate how it's been used dynamically at runtime, I have also you've seen here in function I have transferred this return value as a variable dynamic radial blur. So inside the event graph, I have used f key and I have set it the scalar parameter value of parameter name blur, and I have used the target as the same dynamic radial blur. So you must be wondering, why would you use the blur parameter name here? Because the scalar parameter which I have used inside the material instance is named as blur only. So let me just demonstrate to you. I'm gonna see this material instance radial blur pp. So inside this you can see this there is a global scalar parameter values, and inside that there is a blur node here. So whenever you are creating a material instance of a post process, make sure to make a global variable of your own need to change dynamically at runtime. So I've used that blur parameter name here, and if I press this F, I'll just set the blur to 1, and when I release it, I'll set it to 0. And as a target, I have used the same dynamic radial blur. So that's it. Using this.
So I forgot to mention one more thing. If you need to change the weight blending of any post-process material, you need to call the camera post-process setup function again by defining your own weight blend of that particular post-process material. That's it.
Using this, you can see this post-process effect here. So if you have liked this video, please do like and subscribe. And if there is any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I'll be happy to respond. And happy learning, everyone. Happy learning on Unreal Engine. If you need this function, I'll paste it on the blueprints UE. Alright, so just comment it if you are not able to create these nodes, and I'll post it there, so it would be easier for you to just copy paste and make your own function there and use it. Thank you. See you all.